Hello, yeah, this is Harmeet from Divine Healing. I'm the admin of this page. This live is for one card angel reading free to get the guidance from angels. As the date we have today is also an angelic number. It's 10-10-10-2020. 1010 is also an angelic number and 2020 is also an angelic number. Hello, Sonal. I'm fine, Sonal. Let few more people join in, then I'll start doing the readings. And as the before the live starts, I want to make it very clear. At time I don't get the comments of the people. Maybe you might be again and again repeating, yeah, sending your message, but at times I'm not able to see that comments. It is nothing I'm doing purposely, but it is some issue with the Facebook or the live feature that we are not able to see some comments and even the share option by some people. So I apologize for that in advance only. If I miss somebody's comment or if you have shared the live and I am not able to do reading for you, the reason is that maybe I'm not be able to uh, see your comments. Though I have my mobile also as a standby, so if I have any issues over here, so I can see the comments over here. Hi Gada, nice to see you on my live. Let few more people join in. Then I'll start doing the readings. And I'll a humble request to whoever joins the live. If you can share this live on your Facebook wall or any group you're allowed to. The only reason to tell to share the live is that so may more and more people can join in and get guidance through angels, what angelic message they have. It has nothing to do to promote my work because it's a free live. I don't charge anything for that. But whenever I am guided to do a live by the angels, I come for live. No date and nothing is fixed for my live. Definitely the time is fixed. Usually I come by 7 p.m. Most of my lives are on 7 p.m. And I just want to inform I'll be going on live on my Insta account also and also on my group. It's a free group. And if you want to join, the link is pinned in the comment. You can join the group. But it's a group only for the common man. So I can help them out in the little way I could to those people, and all the entries are carefully checked before I make the person join in the group. So as you will be your sharing the live, I'll get the notification of being live being shared. I'll give preference to those people only for the reason because they are spreading a word about angels, and they're bringing more people so that they can get guidance through angels. And to be honest, I can't do readings for each and every one. I'll still try to do maximum readings for the people I could do, and preference would be given to the people who will be sharing the live. But still, I'll do readings for those people also whom I am guided to, and I won't purposely leave anybody. But if I missed out, just bear with me. And whoever wants the reading, you need to mention in the comments box that you need the reading, and I'll be guiding around. Because at times the messages tend to move out so fastly that you missed on many names. So one of the reason for coming on live or today was also at the as you can see the date, it's 10-10-2020. 10-10 and 2020 both are angelic numbers. Okay, and so I was guided to give you to come on live and give you the message what angels have for you. Besides this, who the people who follow me on my page know what I do. But if there are some, I see some new people also joining in. So basically, I'm a tarot angel and a Lenormand card reader, a crystal therapist, and an angel therapist. And I'm a Ho'oponopono practitioner and also a pendulum healing practitioner. And I do most of my work online on calls also. And even the pendulum healing or the pendulum check is done online. You don't need to be in person with me. Still, I can check your chakras or do pendulum healing for you, being at my place also. And I also deal in number and symbol healings and card healings, which has amazing results for my client. And even I do healings through crystals. There is various testimonies shared on my page where you can know about how the healing works and what benefit it has given to my client. I have recently planned 3 workshops. Basically, they are not workshops; they're sort of mini workshop in which in each workshop I give 5 remedies. One is for relationship issues, one is for money matters, and other is for negativity. Even if you wish, you can message me and you can join that workshop. It is a one-on-one workshop through WhatsApp or Messenger, and you can do at your comfort zone and you can ask about that workshop if you have any queries for the coming week also. In fact, anytime you have the doubts, I'm always there to clear your doubts. Preferably, I should be free at that time. So, as people join in, I'll start doing the live. And it's a humble request, please, if you can share the live, please share the live on your wall. And as you share the live, I get a share option on my wall. So, as few people have joined in, I'll start doing the readings. Yes, Kata, I am well. Hope the same for you. First reading goes to Sonal as she has shared the live. It will be a message from the angels for you. The message for you, Sonal, is passion. Archangel Halion, trust and follow your renewed passion in your love life and career. So, Sonal, the angel are telling you, be very passionate about whatever you are. You need to trust and follow the passion you have for your love life and career. And if you passionately follow what your gut instincts say or what your intuitions are saying to you, you will find success even in your love life and career. Thank you so much. I hope the reading could be of any help to you. And guys, I have various different type of decks with me, angel decks with it. I'll take out reading from any deck which I am guided to for you. Gada, this is message for you from the angels. The angels Indriel, you are a light worker. God needs you to shine your divine light and love like an angel upon the earth and all its inhabitants. Gada, I don't think so. Any better guidance than there's this, and you are a light worker. Even I know that. So God is telling you, and angels are telling you, you need to shine your divine light and love like an angel upon earth and all its inhabitants. So basically, this is your work and this is your life purpose to do so. So don't be hesitant about it. And if you have any doubt or any insecurities about how you need to move forward, you can ask the help of Angel Indriel, and and she'll definitely come to help you. Thank you so much, Gerda. I hope the reading could be of any help to you. And guys, if the reading helps, either you can comment in the comment box, or there is a reviewer option on my page, and you can post a review over there. It just helps my page to grow, because as many stars the page has, that is the page is more shown on the Facebook, and more people know about the page. But it's completely your choice if you want to do. It's just sort of an energy exchange for the reading given by me. Deepak Bakshi, now your sharer option doesn't show me anytime. So I'll be doing the last reading, and then I'll be closing the live. This is the reading for Satinder Kheer. Okay, this is the message for you, Chachu. The angel is Isabella. Yes, the timing is right for this new venture. A happy outcome follows your positive expectations. So, Chachu, maybe you might be starting some new venture. Okay, so the angels are guiding you. You can definitely start that new venture, and whatever new venture you will be starting, you will get a good, happy outcome, positive outcome that will be according to your expectations. So thank you so much. Just move forward with whatever you desire to do in the coming times. So this last Surbhi, I think I have done the reading for you. Even I don't remember whom I read for. Surbhi Parikh, please comment in the comment box that I did a reading for you. If not, let me know. I'll do it. So this is the reading for Jennifer. Rochella is the angel. As you honor and follow the guidance of your heart, prosperity is coming to you. So, Jennifer, the guidance from angel is that as you honor and follow the guidance of your heart, what your heart says, just go with that, and prosperity is coming your way. So, don't self doubt, just go by your gut instinct in whatever area of life or anything you ask the guidance for. And if you do go according to your heart, sometimes we are confused to go by our heart or use our logical mind, but the angels are saying to you to go by your heart and gut instinct. And if you will do that, prosperity is coming to you. So don't worry and feel blessed. So these were